Welcome to Blessed Hands by Lillian. This is Lillian, and tonight I'm working on another concept. I have two Invicta blankets, two sets of Invicta watches with matching bracelet, and I have a cologne set with cologne and body wash that I'm going to be putting on to each one of these. And pretty much that's all I think is going to be in these particular ones. Possibly a loofah, but I'm not sure. I think that might be it. But I've already prepped one of the boxes. I have two sets. I put the paper inside. And now I'm going to put this box here, and pretty much it's the white foam, the black, actually I did the black foam board that you get at Walmart, Dollar Tree, whichever one, any of those, the actual foam board. Black ready board foam board. And I cut that up. And so now I'm going to, because my blanket was too big to sit in there by itself and be able to put things on top of it and be able to close the box, which is what I was originally wanted to do. But unfortunately, I can't do that. So now I have to display it this way. And I think I'm not going to put anything else up here with that. I'll just put that there. I might cut it down, but I may leave it like that instead, to let it fold down. But right now I'm going to go ahead and work my concept that I wanted to do. This is my Cologne Steel from Cologne Steel, New York is the name, and it's body wash and cologne, and it's called the Men's Travel Collection. So I didn't want to hide my Invicta, so I don't know if I want to put something else under here to raise it up. Or I may just lean the blanket more that direction. And I may just do that, because I want you to see the Invicta. And so what did I do with the watch? And here's the watch and the bracelet. Turn it upside down, sorry. No, that was right, because I can see the Invicta words on the watch. Okay, I'll move that over. And now I'll sit it like that. And I have too big of a space here. And I actually have the Power Stick deodorant. And it's already now I have a pair of socks already rolled up, and I have a little washcloth already rolled up. But I really don't think I need anything else here in the front. I think that's pretty much all that needs to be there. Now I'm going to turn it around and see, do I need something in there? And all I'm going to do with here is I bought Give me 1 second. Okay, I bought a mix, 1 pack of decorative crinkle shred in black, but I also bought a silver one. And I think I want to take the both of them so I may take some of this back to Hobby Lobby because that's where I got it from. But I'm going to take the silver and the black and I'm going to mix them up. And then I'm going to move these items and put the black and the silver all around it. And then put the items back on top. Because you see right here on the sides and behind here definitely needs some. Because as I said, I'm not going to put anything else in there. But I think this mixture will look nice as a filler to the sides. And I'll go ahead and put some back here. Because I'm going to lean that over. Now move that out the way. And do the same thing to the other side. And because I have empty areas there, I'll move the watch and fill up this side over here. And then I'll go back around and finish up. Right here. And as usual, I will shrink wrap this off camera. I did go and buy me some shrink wrap today. I've never used the shrink wrap before, so I was having a time with it earlier trying to shrink wrap a couple of other items, but I got them wrapped. I was like, that's the most important part. I got them wrapped. So I got them wrapped, and it looks like they were going to stay. It stayed together, so I was like, that's good there. But this was my concept. I saw it a little bit differently because I thought I could actually close the box, but that didn't work for me. But I'm still good with this. I think this is really nice. So as far as it goes, I'm finished with this, and this is my finished product. Hope you like that one, and since I already have the other one right here, I'm gonna go ahead and work on that one, so I'll be right back. Okay, I've worked on this one a little bit. Okay, I put the base on. this time I'm going to switch up. Well, now that I know that I need to do this, I'll go ahead and do it right now. And push this back out the way for a minute. Okay, and now what I had left, I'll just mix all of that in. This way, in some parts, I don't have to worry about stuff not being in the way. Okay. And I'll put my watch, a little cover, right here, because I need them to be able to see the watch as well as to see the bracelet on the side, and a little Invicta sign there. And okay, I'm missing one item. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went to get, I thought I had everything right here with me, but I didn't. I had to go back and get the power stick, and I'm going to take this down so that you can see the what it says right here. I have to make the decision to, do I want anything up here? Do I want to put anything else up there? But for the most part, this is all I'm going to add to this. And I was trying to see if I wanted to add this 4-in-1 interchangeable pedicure tool to the top up here, but I don't want to go any higher than this piece right here, so I may not add that. But I think this is good with what I have right there. But let me go around on the other side and put some shred on both. This is just enough to split it in half and put it on both sides. This concept here, it was my husband's idea. This was a concept that he brought to my attention and told me that he felt it would make a really nice Father's Day basket if I had some Invicta items for that father that likes Invicta watches, because my husband is an avid Invicta collector. So he said, I know there are dads out here that like Invicta watches just as much as I do. So why don't you add that and make that a set? So I didn't want to do a lot because of the cost. So I just said I'll do 2 concepts, and that's why I ordered the silver watch and a gold watch. Okay, so I'm just going to do a roll over all the way around, and like I said, because of how tall this one is, I'm going to shrink wrap it with the 30 by 30 shrink wrap bags. They came 2 in a package, so I have 1 package that I'll open up, and I'll use both of those packages from Hobby Lobby. And then later on, like I said, this is my first time working with shrink wrap bags. Later on, I think I'll go on Temu or Amazon and order the bags in all of the different not different colors, all of the different sizes, so that I can have some of all sizes. But this is it for this basket. I really like it. I think this is a nice high-end basket. I didn't want too many really high-end baskets, but this will be one of 2 of the high-end baskets that I will have out with me on the street. I will be taking pictures of this, and I will post it on my Facebook and Instagram, and post this video so that folks that know me, that see it, if they choose to, they like it, they can reach out to me and let me know. Thanks for watching this video all the way to the end. Like the video, comment, tell me your thoughts, share the video, and if you're not a subscriber to my channel, if you're a subscriber, thank you for being a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber to my channel, please go look at some of the other videos, and if you like what you see, by all means subscribe to the channel. And I thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. Have a really, really awesome evening. Bye.